Two different artists from two different eras, excelling in totally two different genres, but फिर भी ऐसा क्या है which makes them so likable for me? ऐसा क्या common है between them which makes me to go to their songs back again and again? ऐसा क्या है कि we admire one artist and reject the other? In one study published in Nature Neuroscience led by Zetor, researchers found that dopamine release is strongest जब a piece of music reaches an emotional peak and the listener feels chills, the spine-tingling sensation of excitement and awe. I remember one of my quotes here. If music can't change your original emotions, what are you listening to? हम म्यूजिक सुनते हैं either to feel or to exaggerate certain emotions we are feeling. आई फील तीन चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं किसी भी फैंडम के बनने के लिए: रिलेटेबिलिटी, वननेस और कॉमन ग्राउंड्स, एंड बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. Taylor actually once said in her interviews that I want fans to feel the music not in the way I do, but the way they feel or are supposed to. जब हम म्यूजिक सुनते हैं, we form an underlying emotion attached to it, which makes the song special for us. The Qawwali music of Nusrat Saab and Taylor, through their brilliant lyrics, convey these empirical emotions to us. But now the question arises कि ऐसे तो हर कोई कर सकता है ना, कोई भी आर्टिस्ट अच्छे लिरिक्स लिख सकता है, एंड कर भी रहे हैं. Then why these two artists are on top of my list? So basically for every artist there is a USP which makes them get into that art form. नुसरत साहब की बात करूं तो it is his mystic voice and his ability to expand on various notes, hitting notes. अगर तुम में से किसी ने भी उनकी कव्वाली सुनी है then you know what I'm talking about. The variety, the improvisations he brings is undeniable. Apart from that, एक और चीज़ है which makes anyone like him instantly. It's the value conveyed through his songs. His qawwalis can actually teach one the self-control, the patience. Overall, they are meditations in nature. Wait, is that even a word? But yeah, and they are not just a piece of music. But see, what kind of music someone like is totally subjective. So मुझे कोई हैरानी नहीं होगी if you don't agree to my words. A philosopher once said that music is the wine that fills the cup of silence. हम वैसा म्यूजिक सुनना पसंद करते हैं which somewhere reflects us through it. There are mainly four emotions that a person experiences: happiness, sadness, fear and anger. Mixture of these emotions result in other emotions. And what I feel, Taylor के गाने cover all these aspects. But what is the USP in case of Taylor Swift? It's none other than herself. As I said, कि अच्छे lyrics सीखना or to sing a good song isn't a USP for anyone, but the way Taylor presents herself among her fans is what makes her sell. Her initial push came after that Kanye incident, but it wasn't the incident, rather the repercussion of it. Basically, she knows how not to do and still do. Through her songs, she tells the story of events that happened with her, but the way she presents them is undeniable. एज अ फैन आप फील कर सकते हो कि वो आपको साथ लेकर चल रही है, इन्वॉल्विंग इन द फैंडम डिस्कशंस, फर्दर मेक्स यू द पार्ट ऑफ हर म्यूजिक. ऊपर से टेलर का बिहेवियर टुवर्ड्स हर फैन इज आल्सो अ फैक्टर व्हिच मेक्स हर स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम अदर्स. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, दिस वन इज माय पर्सनल फेवरेट. यार मतलब क्या ही एमवीज बनाती है वो. जब मैंने पहली बार देखा था, इट लिटरली ब्लू माई माइंड. मनी वेल स्पेंट. Each time she comes up with new ideas and themes, making her on the top of the business. And adding up to this, one more thing which is common for both of these artists is the essence of originality. Nusrat Sahab and Taylor both are known for creating original compositions and then unfortunately losing them. But कहते हैं ना कि आपकी कला की नकल तो कर सकते हो पर कलम की नहीं. Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan and Taylor Swift were though from different eras, but still their music had kept me contemporary to both. Death of Nusrat Sahab stunned the music industry, but I feel that his voice is still intact with me. And thanks to Taylor for giving such an absolute shockers. But इतनी बातें करने के बाद भी एक चीज़ रह गई. Ups and downs are not subject to us but to everyone. Same goes for these two. वो कहते हैं ना, आप सबको खुश नहीं कर सकते, which would be today's value of course. तो क्यों being so dedicated to the art and artist receive strong critics? We will look at this in next video. Till then, keep analyzing. Bye.